I've been working with ACV for over a year now. My job is to help franchise and independent dealers acquire inventory quickly and easily for their lots. ACV has been a great company to work for. I've had a great time working for them. The most interesting day I've had on the job has been riding cars in the cold weather. It was wind chill at 20 below zero, helping my guys get cars thawed out and doing the CR reports when it was freezing cold. I was on the retail side for 17 years. I've done everything from floor sales, internet director, F&I manager, used car manager, general sales manager for stores. So yeah, I've been around the car business since I was 20. When I'm not working, I'm playing in an indoor soccer league and spending my free time with my 6-year-old daughter. She is into taekwondo, so doing her taekwondo classes and her tournaments, she's having a blast doing that. In the retail industry, on the retail side of the automotive industry, there are 12-hour days that you work. You pretty much don't get Saturdays off because you'll miss most of your business. So now I have my nights freed up. Saturday I can at least go out and enjoy things with my daughter, answer a text from a dealer partner or a phone call, but I'm not stuck in a store all day, waiting for a customer to come in the door to sell a car. ACV, like I said, is a great company to work for. Home-life balance is perfect. The job is definitely rewarding. It's challenging every day, and every day is a different adventure.